Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I am Loma Teddy. I'm going to take you through how to create PowerPoint presentation using master slide. Here I'm going to use, I already created my slides. I'm just going to show you how to use master slide. How to create your presentation using master slide. So, assuming you've already created your slides and you want to add designs to it, and you know adding one by one like that will take a lot of your time, you simply use master slide. It simplifies all your work, everything. It adds all the designs you need to add at once, and that is it. So how do you operate it? So firstly, you come to view, you click on view, you come to slide master. You see, your work will appear like this. So maybe if I wanted to add color, maybe if I want to add this color, you see, it adds to all automatically, you see. And maybe if I want to increase the fonts to maybe Arial, you see, it applies to all. Now if you want to add effects, if you want to insert transitions on your slide master, maybe I want to put which transition, any of your choice. Maybe I want to put push, you see. It will go automatically, it will apply to all your slides. Now animations, if I want to put animations on my slides, maybe I want to put this one here in, it will apply. You see? So anything you want to add to your slides, you simply use master slide. It will add everything. If you want it to apply maybe from bottom or from top, let's try from top. You see, that is under adding effects. That is it about master slide. Or if you want to insert shapes in your slide, you simply come to insert, then you come to shapes. Now I want to insert a rectangle. You see it is there. Now you enlarge it. Position it very well. So if you want to insert your shape, you see, that's my shape. Maybe I want to change the color of my shape, you see, maybe to that one. Anything you want to do on your slides, you simply use master slide. It will simplify it for you. Anything you want to insert, what else? So that is simply how to use master slide. So when you're done, you close your master slide. You see, you've closed it, and that is it. So one thing I missed about Slide Master, after adding all your effects, all the changes you want to put on your slides, don't forget to apply to all. You come here, click on that option. It will apply to all of them before you close. So here, if you want to change the time, this is the option for changing the time, for all of the time too. You can edit the time. For me, I just want it to take 1 second. Then after, when you're done with everything, you simply come to home. You come to Slide Master. Then you close your work. So that is how to use Slide Master. You create your presentation, your slides, then you apply effects. All you want to change in your slides using only one slide. That is Slide Master. You apply everything in it. When you close, then you typing, then you applying on each and every. Just imagine you have 10 slides. So this thing can save your time, can simplify your everything. Bye. Thank you for giving me your time. I love you all. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share, so that you access my next coming videos that I will be uploading. Bye. See you in my next video.